Hi guys, this is the beginning tutorial. Someone asked me. Evil Block said,
Hi guys,
oh
thank you
wait,
for the
I
tips.
don't know. I said, I'll make a
Hi guys,
tutorial
thank you for the
if
tips.
it helps. Okay, is that? No. First you gotta go to Gacha Lives 2 or Gacha Lives or Gacha Club. I like losing Gacha Club. Gacha Club. Sorry, because I'm tired. And if you don't have CapCut, you gotta download it. Go to CapCut. That's all the thing. This is where I edit. I I have fun editing this one.
You knocked on my door. You knocked on my door.
Wait. Eh, ano natin yan.
You knocked on my door.
Oh, wait. Let me see if I did something wrong.
You knocked on my door. And I say, hello, Satan. I believe it is time to go. Me and the devil.
I love editing that one. So here it goes. This is the one that I edited.
Hi guys, thank you for the tips.
You can see, you can kind of see this and this, but it's okay. It didn't show up in there. Okay, create new project. Go to new project. Now photos. I added this one. First off, you gotta go with the add this first and just did I even create my life? Wow, I'm gonna add the background first. I'm a big fan of One Piece and Zoro. I'm gonna do it in this. That's my background. You can add any background you want. I added this first because I like it. Just click this and click overlay. Oh, now I forgot you don't have to click on this. Just go down and find this. Click it and hit the plus button and add this where the hair is. Let's add the hair. Scroll down until you see remove BG. It's not BG, it's background. I struggled finding this and do not click auto removal, custom removal. Click chroma key. Now I drag this to the green. Ooh. What it?
Titigas ng ulo itong mga to, no? Kaya pangarami mo nga. Hindi ka sumusunod.
Okay. First this one. Add the hair first. And click this. Until you stay over, click the plus button again. And go to, if I already have it in the past, so you're gonna add that chest to man this other, and this is first as I grab this, the chest, import, and go to remove background. Then chroma key, pick that and turn it. That.
Gusto ko kasi talaga siyang kausapin. Gusto ko talaga malaman na ano ba talaga nangyari. Sana harapin ka nito.
With that?
Alam mo naman.
Oh no. Oh, forgot. Guys. Say I'm dumb. Say I'm super dumb. Say I'm super dumb right now. I forgot the streamer back. Delete, add overlay again. I forgot you need to add this. Sorry guys. I didn't mean to be dumb. Just delete the overlay. Go with the fit first. Remove background, chroma key, and click the picture and add overlay. Then add the fit. Remove background. Chroma key. Add overlay. Tick the other fit. Now remove background, chroma key. I'm doing this fast for you guys. If it looks like this, place it on the wrong thing. Don't worry, it's the right thing. Pick the fit. Remove background, chroma key. I'm doing this very fast because I have school. Joking, I don't have school. Just really trying to make video. And if you're from Philippines, you might know Cardo Dalisay, or as known as Coco Martin. My mom is watching it, the episode. That's what you hear. It's so loud. Don't blame my mom. Okay, on overlay. Now click the hard disk. Remove background, chroma key, remove the green part.
Andiyan dyan ba si Roda? Sila po sila?
And cover the pants.
Upa sa pwesto niya sa palengke, magbabayad lang ako ng upa. Kasi po,
If the legs stuck weird, then you can
dahan-dahan. May sugat ako eh. Dahan-dahan. Bagay, pinagarap ko sa inyo. Magbabayad daw po ng ibenta sa palengke. Bakit ba yun? Wala lang ngayon sa akin. Pumunta pa rito na pumunta para na magbayad ng upa.
okay.
Papapatuloy mo. Ito ma. Hawakan mo naman ako ng tama, hindi kita natuwendo para ka nandidiri. Taklan mo, hawakan mo. Pumayag ka. Opo, ma'am. Sige po, pasok na po kayo.
I fixed it. Then overlay. Go to the case and add overlay. My fellas, import that again. My background chroma key.
Magbabayad ako ng upa namin. At saka, kakamustahin ko lang sana kung anong nangyari sa'yo. Ang anak mo ang gumawa sa akin sa alot ang anak mo! Ang tatay, alam mo, mabuti na lamang sinabihan ako ng doktor ko na huwag ako masyado magkikilos. Ay, tingnan niyo ang pagmumukha ng babae yan, ha? Huwag niyo papapasukin, inayaan ang lalaking sumaksak sa akin. Tandaan niyo, ha? Ang tatay ka, sandali lang. Bakit? Ang totoo niyan, nabigla nga kami, nabigla ako.
Yan. Just do that. Click that, add overlay.
Nalulungkot kayo dahil nabuhay ako. Mula sa pagkakataktak ng anak mo si
Click on.
Masalam ko naman si Tanggol na basagulero, mahilig sa gulo, kung ano
Chroma key.
pero parang pumatay dahil sa pagdalakaw, hindi kayang gawin ni Tanggol yun. Kriminal ang anak mo,
I'm gonna style it.
pinulabog na itong bahay ko. Dapat pinagbabalulay ko nung araw. Tinutukan pa ako ng baril. Dating ko. Siya lamang ang may tamang dahilan upang pagtangkaan ang buhay ko.
I styled it.
Sa tingin mo,
And add overlay. Add the other hand.
nakita mo ba talaga kung sino sumaksak sa'yo? Nakita mo ba talaga yung mukha ni Tanggol na siyang sumaksak sa'yo?
If you have a problem with that, don't worry. Please the arm in the. It looks so normal. Okay, that. If you want to make the wave your hair, this is the chart. I'll go to effects. Video effects. Don't go to nightclub. But if you want to make a rainbow thing, you have to go to distortion, this, and click screen pulse, and click object overlay. Yes. Adjust it to 3. Adjust it to 6. Adjust this to that. That's why. If you want more details, check again. Okay. That's and add effects again. Video and pause again. Go object was I forgot how to do this, but just delete that. I forgot. Here you go. Look. If you want to something epic, you can mess around just like me. I'm just gonna. If you want an animation, do it. Let me see.
Hi. Sandali lang. Sukli mo. Ayan. Salamat po. Ay, Tinday! Oy, pinapadaan ka. Alam niyo naman, pabalik-balik sa dami ng pautang, kailangan maningil. Kamusta na pakiramdam niyo? Ayos naman ako. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo, ha? Naku, ako ang dapat magpasalamat sa inyo. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa si Mama? Sige. Sige, ako kayo. Malulunod mo kayo. Sige. Sige. Angela! Paula kayo. Opo. Angela kayo, Angela. Ano ba ang gusto nyo malaman ngayong araw na ito? Angela. Aba, tingnan natin yan. Ay, hindi na hinagad dito po kasi ng kuwet na. Ito po ang bala. Bala? Opo, nabayaran na po yung unang bill, kaya yan na lang po ang babayaran ngayon. Father, mabayaran ko na lahat para makalis na kami dito.
And the expert I haven't find the video. So tired because I just woke up and just got my own chair. This is what the final reading. If you want audio, go to audio. If you want your own audio or another audio, just take sounds. If you want to hear your voice, just click record. I'm gonna go with my own sound. Ito will do the mind.
I wanna be the person that you do it.
Kita mo sa trabaho mo. Ito.
I wanna be the person that you do it.
It's okay.
I wanna be the person that you do it to. Hey you, I wanna be the person that you do it to. Hey you, I wanna be the person that you do it to. Hey you, I want.
That's the tutorial how to try and export it again. Click done. Then, okay, I'm just gonna end it and I'm gonna pause the